Good day, mate. This month for the Wordy Traveler, we are traveling to Australia. And when you open your box, you're going to find a nice vintage postcard and the card that tells you everything that's in your box. Let's dive in and see what's included. We have our tea and our coffee from Byron Bay, which is an Australian brand. A real full-size boomerang, which if it was not raining, I would go outside and toss right now. Some beautiful bracelets. These are pretty thick and heavy duty. An interesting looking coaster. Never seen one like this, but you just set your drink down inside of it. It's beautiful though. And the bookmark souvenir, which has a gorgeous die-cut metal bookmark that's got various landmarks and icons of Australia on it. Another charm to add to our bracelet. This one is a little kangaroo. And a sticker for my computer. It shows Australia. Now we get to the meat of the matter, because it is the Wordy Traveler after all, and the best part is the books. This month we have a nonfiction and we have a fiction, both about Australia. In our nonfiction, which is soon to be a major motion picture, Tracks follows one woman's solo trek across 1,700 miles of the Australian outback. I have to admit that does not sound like fun, but it should be an interesting read and possibly a movie to go see soon. And then our fiction book is The Thornbirds by Colleen McCullough. I've not heard of this one, so if you've read it, let me know if it's pretty good. It's thick, so it won't be the first one that I start with. And it says that it's a sweeping saga of dreams, struggles, dark passions, and forbidden love in the Australian outback. It chronicles 3 generations of ranchers carving out lives from the hard land that is Australia. Again, if you've read The Thornbirds, let me know, because I don't know that one. Here's your Wordy Traveler Australia box for the month of June. If you haven't already subscribed, you should definitely go and check it out. Tell me, what's your favorite thing that you're most excited to get in your box this month?
So something that I wanted to point out this month is that you have an option of getting a 2-book, 4-book, or 6-book box. If you get 2 books like I do, then you get 1 fiction and 1 nonfiction. If you get 4 books, it's 2 fiction, 2 nonfiction, and if you get the 6 books, you get everything shown, which was the choices of The Thornbirds, Clown Street, and The Secret River for your fiction books. Tracks, Foreign Correspondence, and A Taste of Australia for your nonfiction books. And of course, there's a price differential. It's $79 a month for the 2-book box. It's $139 for the 4-book box. It's $169 if you want to get all 6 books in your box. But that's if you are paying as you go. There is an option for prepaying for an entire year, and that comes with significant savings, plus you get an extra free box. So if this is something that you're interested in, I definitely would recommend the pay by the year option, because you get that free box with the bonus stuff in it, in addition to your Sleepy Tea and your other surprises. And don't forget to use code SparksAcademy to save $20 on your first box and get extra Sleepy Tea for an entire year. Now, every welcome box is different. So if you decide that you want to sign up for this, I would love to see your welcome box, just because I'm being nosy and I like to see what everybody gets differently. Remember, enjoy the journey.